Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Seventh hour, if you want to fast forward through number 6 and go on to number 7, that's fine. Eighth hour, you didn't finish number 6, so we do need to finish up number 6 first, and then we'll do number 7. So looking at this circle, we want to find A, B, C, D, and E. Again, write them down on the bottom so you remember to find everything. And very often we have to go out of order. So it's always a good idea to list them down. All right, here we go. I think I would start right here at this central angle. 88 degrees is a central angle, and if we follow the sides of its arc out, you will get that this arc B is also 88. The measure of a central angle is exactly the same thing as the measure of its arc. So that's 88. Now on that same arc, that 88 degree arc, follow these sides back, and those go back to an inscribed angle. And that inscribed angle at angle A is half of that 88. So A is at 44. Okay. Now we can find D. D is this angle right here. It is an inscribed angle. Its vertex is on the circle. Following its sides out, we get this arc down here. So there's 150 degrees for the arc, which means angle D is, yes, 75. Okay, the last two, arc E and angle C. We're going to have, well, you can do it either way first. I think I might go this way down here. These three angles, C, A, and D, all have to add up to be 180. They're all three sitting along a line. So 75 and 44 is 119. And subtracting 180 minus 119. Did I add that up right? Yes, I did. 180 minus 119 leaves us with 61 for angle C, which means then arc E is twice that 61, which is 132. The other option here to find C and E would have been to use these two arcs, 150, 88, add those up, subtract from 360, and that would have given us E at 132. Then to get back to angle C, we would just divide by 2. Okay, here we go. Number 7. Oh boy, look at all this stuff we got to find up here. Let's label the diagram first. Arc AB is 10. Kind of tiny, you got to squeeze it in here. AB is 10. Arc BC is 20. Measure of arc ED is 20. And I need you to find all of these things up here. When I do long, complicated problems like this, I like to find all of my arc measures first. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the top half of this circle. So this diameter right here at BE. And we know that these three arcs up here, I'll have to add up to be 180. I got 20 here and 20 there. That's 40. 180 minus 40 is 140. Okay. On the bottom half of this circle, here's the diameter. Going here, that's all 180 degrees. That little bitty arc is 10. So arc AE down here is 170. Hold on. Somebody came in, wanted to know where a teacher was. Sorry. Okay, so let's go back. And now we've got our arcs all filled in. We can go and we can fill in this list over here. Arc AE. AE, 170. I think I might do all the arcs first. And there's one more. Arc CD, 140. Now let's go find all the angles. And I'm going to start here. Angle C. There's angle C. follow the sides out to where it hits the circle, and that hits the ends of a diameter. So half of this 180, 90 degrees. Angle BEC. BEC. That's this angle right here that I just put that dot in. BEC. That's an inscribed angle. Its vertex is on the circle. Follow the sides out, and half of that 20-degree arc, 10 degrees. 10. Angle D. Right here's angle D. Now be careful. Some of you are going to want to say that that's 90 because you're going to not actually, with your hands or your fingers, follow the sides out. Follow the sides of angle D out. Hits there, and this side follows out to right there. So it doesn't hit the endpoints of a diameter. It hits this 170-degree arc. So angle D, half of 170, is 85. Okay, two more. Angle BAD. Oh boy, BAD. All right, that angle is not drawn in here, but we can imagine it. B, from B to A to D. It's an inscribed angle. Its vertex is on the circle, and follow the sides out. It hits this 160-degree arc. Half of 160 is 80. And the last one, angle BED, BED, BED. So that's this whole thing right here. Follow the sides out, BED. So, and it hits that very same arc. So half of 160, also 80 degrees. Okay, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope this helped. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.